what you got in the boxes today?
Got yours and we got mine.
You got a razor blade?
I got a razor blade.
I got, here, this is yours. What's your favorite?
Okay, we got another shipment from Legendary, which this was all the way from the Mopar National.
Oh, you're sitting over there now?
Which we knew it was going to take a while to get all the parts. And
oh, here's.
Oh, excuse me, bless you. So this is supposed to be the black. What's that? Oh, it's the invoice.
All right, these boxes are pretty heavy.
I
think there's more than just door pad tops in it, but I don't believe so. Okay. Oh, you get weather strip.
Well, that's the felt. Yeah, that's the whiskers.
Yeah, this is just a big pod, Pop.
Well, my gosh.
Because they're valuable. They're $500 right here.
I know. Man.
It could be front and rear door pad tops. Or tops.
That is amazing.
Yeah, they packed the heck out of
I guess so.
it. Let's see what you got.
They're ruined because they got foam crap all over them.
Scratch up your windlace.
Man, can you get it apart?
I think they put them in the box and then put foam in it.
It looks like it.
There, I can kind of hold.
Well, that's got to come off of there. There's one of them. A beautiful black one.
Oh, see, that's the rear. So it's front and rear tops.
Yeah, that's a rear, huh? Okay.
Yeah, that's rear.
Well, I'm not keeping all this foam. I hate to tell them.
What? They sent it to you.
No, I don't need it. What else we got?
I'm just kind of
Tear it apart.
trying to tear it apart. Oh, these we can break open.
There's the right rear and left rear. They are very pretty. Well, they're heavy duty too.
You want to open up mine, see that they're off-white?
Okay, that's all there is. Throw it away. Good. Great.
Yeah, I don't know how you're supposed to open these. I think
This
that's
was
what they
only
did.
cheese.
They put this in the box
Yeah.
with these dividers in it, and then
Yeah, and then foamed it. Wow.
foam it good.
Well, that's a soft foam.
There.
We're making a mess.
When don't we?
Yeah.
I'm trying to strategically take some foam out.
They want a good one. Pull this over.
Oh, so we don't have to. That's 36 times.
Yeah.
Alright, there's a foam divider between them there. Let's.
Boy, it sure, when they foamed this, it sure went everywhere.
Well, these are expensive and long, and every one I got, the corners are damaged. That's why we got these.
I guess they don't want people saying they got damaged in shipping.
Okay, this one you can probably take out of the top there if you want to take that one. Take him out there.
Ooh, look at that. Got the red.
Does it have the logo in it?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Logo. Very, very pretty. Look at this. It's a mess on the floor.
Are you falling over?
Yeah, I was leaning and it made me stand up.
Stand up. That's a pretty cool way to pack it. You just throw the foam in.
Nice, nice, nice.
Oh, you got 69s.
69.
Cool. All right, you want to see the white ones?
Yeah, we could probably put all of them in
I'm
one
just
box.
gonna cut open. Are there pins in the back of them? Oh no. You got to put your little clip pins in to punch it in, like door panel clips.
Yeah. Well, if you want to do yours, we can put them all in one box.
I'm not contaminating mine with yours.
You don't have to open yours at all if you don't want to.
I want to see the color. Let's see what color white it is.
Did you already open? Nope.
I have a feeling it's off-white.
It's whatever Dodge had.
I thought Dodge was white interior.
Oh, look, it's white.
I wish it was that color. Actually,
That's about right.
that's a little too off-white.
Here's your.
Yeah, we can throw that in with yours. They're black.
What?
I can see all black here.
They're not supposed to be black.
Unless that is the back side of it.
No, this one looks black.
Well, then they're wrong. Nope, they're white.
Okay, good.
So let's take a look at one here at least.
Oh boy, look at that.
That's
Well,
what are you doing?
I was leaning. There's no weight to it at all. Yeah, they are off-white. But that's the color of them. Boy, they're pretty.
Oh, they're awesome, but that ain't white.
No. But look at it compared to this white. It looks almost.
Yeah, yellowed.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna tuck this right back in there.
All right.
'Cause I ain't ready for these for a little while.
We can leave this in the
Here,
box.
I just want to put it
That's where it was.
back where it was. I'll pull this back over it.
Okay.
Oh, it kind of fell apart, huh?
That did. Where's your other piece?
Okay.
All right.
They'd be very nice, but if you want white, you gotta spray it. Don't crush that. Which I may or may not. Man, I don't know, for seat upholstery and all that, like dyeing it, vinyl dye white, I don't know if you do that or not.
No, you leave it the way it came from the factory.
I just didn't want off-white.
Well, that's white. White is too white.
Yes,
I'm
Maybe.
sure Dodge knows.
maybe. I just pictured like a plum crazy Challenger with white interior is like stark white, like bright white.
But it's probably this white.
And maybe against the blue, it looks really white.
Against your orangey red, it's going to look white.
All right, I'll give it a try. If I don't like it, I'll spray the whole interior white.
No, you won't.
Anyway, that's an unboxing from Legendary. Awesome quality parts.
Yep.
Love the emblem that was in the center. That's
Yeah,
great.
look great.
I'm happy those came with that.
Only thing we got left from them is the front and rear seat upholstery.
Yep.
White and black.
We got my foam already. We saw in a
Yep.
different video, and we got one set of bucket seat foam and 2 rear seat things.
Right.
That was in the last legendary video. That
Right. But
if you're watching this video, you probably watched that other one too. So
I don't need the upholstery or the foam and stuff for the buckets because I already have a set of bucket seats. It's just they have a dark green.
and they've been redone recently.
Yeah, they were have been redone recently, and I will be very careful and take it apart, and then that will be for sale. Got some on the side too. There, it just fell off on your pants. So I will. There'll be another video on that where I take it apart.
I told
and
you it
then
was just
sell
going to
the
be
upholstery.
tops because they're
It was.
heavy.
I didn't think that it was going to be that heavy.
Yep. All right, that's it for today. Excuse me. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. I hope you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We got more unboxing of legendary parts. Basically, the whole interior.
Yeah, the interior. That
We've already done what, 2 videos?
I think a couple of them we've done. So I don't know if you'll put it all together and it'll just be one long video. And then
No, we've already posted 2, so
Oh, okay.
this will be another. We've been BSing for 15 minutes now.
Okay.
You like them?
I like them.
Thumbs up. Approved. Call Chris at Legendary. He'll hook you up.
Yes, he's great.
Cool. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, for the price list, what's it say, Pop?
It's got 69 Charger upper door pad, front and rear set in black. Normally they're like $1,300 for $1,105.
Oh, 1105.
So I guess there's the $1,105. Can check that off. And yours was $1,105. And white.
Yeah, I thought you'd want to at least note on the camera how much I owed you.
Oh yeah, we're still, yeah. It was a $7,000 order.
Well, we're up to about $2,500 now.
Oh, probably going to be that for sure.
Yep.
So,
All right, anything else on the price sheet?
nope, I think that takes care of those two. We still have the upholstery part for the seats, and that'll do it.
All right, I got mine about repacked.
Third quarter.
We'll see this stuff in the next several months. Because that's going white. And then red here in the next month and a half.
Yep.
And I think that's probably what it's going to take with our 6-week paint schedule. If we start this coming weekend. And I stop going to car shows and all that stuff. But hey, I like the car shows too, so. See you at the next car show, or see you doing this work. Bye-bye.